Welcome back to a fun-filled adventure with your favorite host. Well, me, of course. All right, guys, I'm glad to have you back. And I hope you guys are doing great, by the way. But in this video, we are, I guess you would call this a response video. I guess. I don't know. But this is called Jungle Cord. And I created this a year or two ago. I made some videos on it. I'll put a link up on the screen. But I did not come up with this, but I actually first saw it on another YouTuber called Survival Russia. That's where I learned about it. And this cord is awesome. Now, this response video is to a Dave Canterbury channel. It's another YouTuber, and I'm sure you guys know who he is. He's got a great channel, so go and check his channel out. But this is in no way to bash him or anything like that. So basically, I watched one of his videos. It was called like King of the Fastest Ridgeline Deployment. And I watched it, and he had a Ridgeline, how should I say it? He had a new system, or a new Ridgeline system, which is, you know, using paracord to make a Ridgeline to hang like a shelter from, a tarp, whatever it be. And it was supposed to be the king of deployment Ridgelines, the fastest, like 25 seconds or less. So yeah, as I'm watching the video, I'm like, man, I don't think this is the king of the fastest Ridgeline deployment. I'm thinking, no, I can beat this time. And I was in my mind the whole time, I'm thinking the Jungle Cord that I have, because by far this is the fastest, and I'm going to prove it. Well, we're going to find out, but I believe it to be the fastest. So that's what this whole video is going to be. It's me setting up this Ridgeline just like Dave Canterbury did in his video and taking it down. I'm going to say that this is not king, but this is emperor to the fastest Ridgeline deployment ever in the whole wide world, in the universe. So anyways, guys, check out that video. It's about a month ago it came out. It's called like King of Ridgeline Deployment, fastest deployment of a Ridgeline, 25 seconds or less. It's a great video. It's a great Ridgeline. I'm not speaking bad about it or anything like that. I just wanted to make a video on that because I think Jungle Cord's even faster, and I really like this Jungle Cord idea and the Ridgeline itself, the concept of it. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll talk about the Jungle Cord after that. So let's put it to the, let me put this to the test. All right, I got a stopwatch, so here we go. Oh, okay. 1, 2, and 3. And time. Haha! Emperor of fastest Ridgeline deployment. There's the time, 19:07. Oh, that's awesome, guys. 19.7. Ain't nobody got anything on the Jungle Cord. I'm gonna show you how simple this is to take down and how fast it is. See it? Just like that. It's off both those trees. Jungle Cord is emperor. See, I just want to show you guys real fast. It's just knots. It's knots every so many inches. Basically, use your hand to measure out between each knot, and then you just basically tie a knot, like a square knot almost, and it just goes all the way down the Ridgeline. Now over here, what's holding it is just the knot. It's basically holding itself through these little openings here after you tie each knot. And that's why this system is so simple. So there you have it. 20 seconds or less. 19.7 seconds. That was pretty fast. And I just knew when I was watching Dave Canterbury's video, I was like, man, I don't think that's the fastest deployment system. I think the Jungle Cord is, and we just proved that it is. But anyways, go check out his video. It's a good video. It's a good deployment system. I'm just having a little fun, guys. That's all. I just want to try it out because I really admire and really like this Jungle Cord, and just the whole idea behind it works great. So anyways, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys thought, and leave your comments below. And I'll also put a link in the videos, or probably in the description as well, of how to make these. It's real simple. I made it using a ladder system last year, and it's the same idea. I just made the openings a little bigger. But I'll look for some of those videos I have and see if I can get some links up there for you guys. But if not, other YouTubers show you how to make the jungle cords. So great system, guys. Not just great, but the Emperor with the fastest deployment Ridgeline system in the universe. All right, guys. Hey, I'll see you in the next video, guys. All right. God bless you and take care. Bye.